Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video we want to find the value of this expression 8 minus 8 times 8 minus 8. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. 8 minus 8 gives us 0. And again here we have 8 minus 8. So 0 times 0 is just 0. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and then finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and they have to go from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, we have two subtractions and one multiplication. According to the PEMDAS, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction because multiplication comes before subtraction. And when we have more than one subtraction and expression, we have to go from left to right. So therefore, first we have to do this multiplication, then this subtraction, and finally this subtraction. If we do this subtraction or this subtraction before this multiplication, it is wrong. So first we have to do this multiplication. 8 times 8 gives us 64. So we have 8 minus 64 minus 8. Now we have to go from left to right. So first 8 minus 64, which equals negative 56. Then minus 8. Okay? Negative 56 minus 8 gives us negative 64. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is negative 64.